you all doing fine. Welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple tutorial on how to change your YouTube channel color. If you're not subscribed, click on the red button guys and subscribe for more videos. This is my current color, which is red. I'm going to change it into green. The first step guys is to download the PixArt app. Once you download, click on PixArt and then this plus button. Then search for YouTube banner specifications, type channel art, and it's going to display all samples which are here on PixArt, or you can download from YouTube because they have a sample. I have mine which I've already downloaded, so I'm gonna click on photos and then pick the one which I've downloaded, which is this. I'm going to select add photo and then choose specific color which I want. You can also choose from the PixArt. They have different colors on the background. So I'm going to scroll down and choose the green color, which is this one, which I'm going to use. Edit the color so as it fits well to the text and logo save area. Once you're done, click on the add photo and choose the photo of your choice which you want to appear on your banner. Click on text, then add your name if you want it to appear on your banner and any other information. Select the color and duplicate, paste it on the top of the banner, then select move down so the color is going to appear below and the words and the photos and all the information which you have above. The next step is to resize the color to the right size, like that. Once you're done, click on sticker, but this one is optional. You can add a sticker which you want to appear on your channel art. Then, once you're done, click on save. We have our banner. Next, open Google Chrome and then type youtube.com. Once done, select desktop site. It's going to appear like you're using your computer. Click on your channel. Click on Customise channel. Then click on the setting button and make sure that your channel layout of your channel is on, like that. Then save. On the right side top, click on that pencil icon, then click on edit channel art. Click on the blue part and select the photo which you've already saved. Wait for it to download. Then once we're done, click on save. This is how my channel art is going to appear on the desktop. So you're going to refresh the YouTube page and then close the page. Click on your YouTube, then go to your channel. As you can see, the color has changed from red to green. This is my before picture and this is the after picture. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now. Much love to you all. Bye.